Traders, Anthony here. I'm looking at Bitcoin daily time frame. So we've got a bit going on this chart. Okay, so we've traded into this resistance level here. The buy stops resting above this sell, this expansion to the downside has been hit with a vengeance. Okay, trading right into a daily bearish order block, pushing right into it. So you want to be a little bit careful at this level. I mean, there could be enough liquidity in here to cause this to retrace significantly. All right, so you just want to be very careful. I'm just going to mark that up as a 1D. We'll do that. Well, no, it's not that. Hang on, bear with me. Just change it. Call it the range. That'll do. All right, so we've got this range up in here. Now I'm bullish, and we've got, once we break through this level here, we've got this thin candle, this liquidity void to trade through, and my next port of call is going to be this bearish order block up in here on the daily time frame. So that's a potential target. I'm looking for an entry point, but the question with this is, okay, given that it's traded into this, look, here's the thing, okay, smart money will load up down low. And there's enough liquidity in here for them to pair their orders, okay? So this is where it's possible that they unload. And if that happens, we would possibly see a significant retrace. Sorry about the background noise. I'm sitting in a cafe at the moment, and we got motorbikes screaming past, well, cruising past. So yeah, looking at this, that's the only thing that's concerning me is this level and the potential for this to pull back. So if you're going to buy at this point, you know, where do you place your stop loss? And don't underestimate how far this thing can move. I mean, look at this measured move here, for example. If we place that here, you know, that brings it right back down into here. All right, so that's the question with this for now. Now, if you're accumulating, if you're buying and you know, if you're dollar cost averaging in, then I would say let's just have a look at a couple of scenarios here, and we'll keep this measured move here in mind as a potential. Let's just pull a fib from here to here, for example. There's a 50% right there on the fib from this price swing back in here. Right, it's possible we could see it pull back that far. And I mean, the other thing is it could hold here and retrace slightly and then carry on bullish. You know, you just don't know. But the risk is real. You know, you don't want to be losing your money. Anyway, so let's just go down the 4H. In fact, what we'll do is we'll set up a scenario, a buy. Here's what I would be looking for on the daily if you're looking for a swing trade opportunity. What do we got? That's a 2.25R. You know, I would even go higher than that. Here are my targets, by the way. Let's just mark that up, and we'll grab that one. I'm bullish. My bias is definitely to be buying Bitcoin at the moment. So we got these levels here, potential targets. All right, and then we've got this going on. So let's just go down now to our 4H. So that's a daily time frame swing trade idea that could work out. If this trades back down below this low and they hit liquidity under here, that'd be an entry, and I'd go for a stop under these lows, something like that. I don't mind that. Now if you want to, you know, like, I mean, it may or may not pull back down into here, that's the thing. But I'm leaving that open as a possibility. You could set a limit order down in here if you like, if you want to speculate, and that would be it. On the 4H, all right, we've got this break of market structure right there. BOS, bullish break of structure. And with that, I'll be looking for, you know, I mean, the lower time frame trade. I don't want to be buying at this level. At this point, it's at a premium, and it's pushed into these stops above here. And, yeah, it's definitely, in my opinion, going to be retracing. It's already hit it and it's retraced. Look at that. And I'm thinking another move, for example, well, even something like that could be a thing. Right, so on the 4-hour time frame, you could consider an entry point possibly around this level, reacting off this green candle here. Okay, possibly 4-hour. Let's just call that a 4H. So, I mean, I'd be inclined, look, if you're dollar cost averaging in, this is where you could be buying. If you're buying in, if you're trading spot, okay, buy zone 4H, something like that. I don't want to buy up in here. I am investing in Bitcoin, so if it does trade back down here, I'll accumulate. That's not leveraged because there's a possibility that this decides to hit these lows under here. That's the thing. So, I mean, you've got to look at it from that point of view. And the other thing you want to consider, see this green candle down in here? We have a significant imbalance that the market would look to trade through at some stage. This thin candle right there. All right. Okay, it's bullish, but yeah, I mean, this thing it moves in mysterious ways. I mean, look at the volatility. I had a trade down in here. I sold and closed here. That was a nice little trade. I was thinking we might get a bit more out of it, but no. So yeah, bullish at the moment. Break of structure, and I think I've covered everything. I think if you're buying as an investor, get in at this discount. I would buy on every pullback and hold it, and just weather the storm, guys, because at some stage. Here's the thing. You know what I mean? So just don't underestimate how deep this thing can pull back. Look at these moves. You can see it here on the chart. Look at this rally. Look at this measured move. Look at that. See that? Okay, a relatively consistent measured move. Again here. All right, let's just move that way. All right. So that's why I'm going in with a wide stop on that one. That's pretty well it, guys. I think I've covered everything that I needed to cover with this. At the moment, it's high risk going in on the lower time frame with a tight stop, to be honest. But yeah. Look, you could take the risk if you want to, but I probably won't. I won't be trading this from this point here with a stop loss under this low. I wouldn't be doing that myself. I will buy without a stop loss and just hang on to it, if that makes any sense, and just ride the ride the roller coaster, and at some stage, I mean, I really do believe in Bitcoin. This thing is definitely heading to the moon. And I've got these targets up in here. Previous highs will get taken out for sure at some stage. So, all right, that's it, guys. I've covered everything. So, I mean, with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. Leave a comment. Your thoughts are important, and always good to share our ideas. Have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.